Glass is the enemy of film. This is a bifocal mirror. No, it's not. I broke it. So my first day on the bike, my first repair. I wrenched it at a red light trying to adjust it, and I snapped the plastic mirror.
The toolkit is under the seat, and this is how you unlock it with this very key. There is your toolkit. This is the wrench. It goes right here, and the screw goes right in here so you can turn it. The wrench I was talking about earlier and the screwdriver can loosen this so this can turn, and this can turn the back here. The screwdriver is back here, so you can adjust this.